Look, most of you guys are dressing bad almost unintentionally just because you're not realizing the most minimal things that you're doing on your everyday are making you look bummy, are making your fits look like trash. Look, I'm not trying to be mean. I'm trying to help you out. And today, boys, I'm going to show you the 6 style mistakes most dudes are making. Hop into this. Number 1, not having a full-size mirror. See, you can't just use the mirror in your bathroom to judge your fits. You are gonna be your best critic because you know your body best, you know what colors work on you best, and you know what makes you feel the most comfortable. However, if you don't have a full-length mirror, how are you gonna judge how good your fits are? This is why everybody should buy. Bro, you can go on Amazon. You can buy a cheapo one. I think they're like for 20, 40 bucks. You can hang it on the back of your door, and that way every time right before you step out, you do a quick fit check. You make sure everything fits right. You make sure the colors combine properly, and I guarantee you this one little tip right here is going to ensure you the embarrassment of having a bad fit almost 99% of the time. Number 2, you just got too much going on. See, too many people have this misconception that think that complexity equals style, when in reality, it's simplicity that makes you more stylish. It's understanding the basics, knowing what fits and what doesn't, knowing what makes you look the best, focusing on what's important, the core foundation of your wardrobe first, and then building up from there. That's what makes you stylish because it builds your foundation. This is why with essentials, my only focus is essentials. Basics for guys, where I know you can grab one of our essentials heavyweight hoodies and literally throw it on with almost any outfit you want, and it's gonna look good. Why? Because it's a basic. It was designed that way. It was designed intentionally, and even the color palette, fit, fabric, the entire process was designed so men had basics that they could always rely on and always made them stylish. This is why, for example, our best-selling t-shirt, which is the world's best t-shirt, our bamboo tee from Essentials, has sold over 300,000 units. Yo, we don't move that much product just because. We move it because it's a great piece. As soon as people throw it on, we have customers that will literally come back and buy 15 different colors of the same size just because it's so good. Once you find that, you buy multiple and you know you got something that you just throw on. It's like on repeat. That's basically the bamboo tee. It was designed to fit perfectly around the biceps, around the chest, to make you look more muscular, more athletic, with enough room in the midsection to hide any imperfections. It was also designed with the proprietary bamboo cotton blend that's naturally antibacterial to make sure it neutralizes odors and it makes you feel fresh. When you throw on our bamboo t-shirt, I promise you, you're never gonna go back to a regular cotton tee again. Our bamboo tees are the best selling in the world for a reason, and if you've never checked one out, right now is the time to do so. Boys, I already told you, my goal for this year is to be stocked up on our popular stuff. I'm talking about the real basics. I want this to be there all the time. We made one of the largest investments this year just to buy a massive amount of inventory so you guys can purchase when you need it. And right now is the time to do that. If you guys want to check out the best t-shirt in the world, I'm going to have it linked down below. Our bamboo tee is stocked in all the popular colors, plus 2 new colors. If I were you, I'd pick one up in every color before they go because these are the t-shirts you're going to wear on repeat. Number 3, not accessorize. Look, not accessorizing is the easiest way to have a bad outfit because with accessories, you can simply level up your fit without putting in too much effort. You got a simple t-shirt on, you can be wearing a simple crew neck, you throw on a necklace, you throw on a good watch, you throw on a bracelet or a ring. Now you've leveled up your outfit where you look more stylish, you look more intentional without even putting in that much effort. This is why I believe when you don't accessorize, it's almost like you're creating a fashion mistake just because you're leaving so much on the table, so much potential of having an amazing fit just because you didn't take that extra step of accessorizing. So when it comes to sunglasses, necklaces, watches, rings, make sure you start building this accessory collection because it makes it so simple to be able to throw on top of a basic outfit and instantly make it look more stylish. Number 4, wearing outdated trends. Your Chelsea boots, your flannels, your skinny jeans, your bomber jacket. Look, these are all classics. They're also all in my wardrobe, every single one of these trends. However, they've also piqued in interest at this point, and it's to the point that everywhere, go to the club, I promise you, you're gonna see at least 100 guys with the skinny jeans, Chelsea, and dress shirt combo. It's just like everywhere you go, it's a copy-paste of the same outfit. You don't want to be a copy-paste type of guy. Which takes us on to number 5. You're wearing the wrong sizing. Too many guys like to size down on their t-shirts and their dress shirts or their jeans to get a more fitted or tailored look, when in reality, it just looks like you're buying clothes that's too tight for you or it's too uncomfortable. Not only is it out of trend to be wearing clothes that's so tight, you should be wearing stuff that actually fits, that's a little bit more relaxed, that's a little bit more comfortable. It also just looks horrendous. It looks like you are uncomfortable. Not to mention that when you buy the wrong sizing, it also ends up shrinking, especially if you wash it improperly. So now you end up with pieces that don't look right on you. This is why make sure you buy pieces that actually fit you. Go to the store or use the size guide, measure up on key points like your shoulders, your waist, your hips. These are key points that you need to make sure garments fit properly. Everything else can be tailored, and this is the important part. If you want things that fit right, especially when you're dressing up, don't size down, go to a tailor, get it done properly so it actually fits your body, it looks custom and it looks expensive rather than it looking like a hand-me-down. Finally, number 6, your style is not versatile. See, I don't want you just sticking to one singular style. I want you to explore. I want you to wear a little bit of streetwear. I want you to wear a little more casual wear. I want you to try the smart casual. I want you to dress up a bit. See, if you can get good in every single aspect of style or all these different archetypes of style, now you're gonna be more diverse. You're gonna have more depth in your style, and this is when you really get to start mixing and playing across different archetypes, and now you're deploying fits your average Joe just can't even comprehend. This is when you start deploying fits that are actually stylish and people will notice. This is when you actually start sticking out. This is when you start getting attention. This is when people start saying, man, that dude, that's one stylish ass dude. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out Essentials. If you guys want basics that you know will fit good and last long, go ahead, check them out. They're going to be linked down below. That's it for me today. See you next time.